got it twisted for real. I'm not your ordinary bad girl with the blonde curl.
Hey y'all, it's your girl. Welcome back to my motherfucking world. Y'all, don't mind my fit. This is all my husband's. I mean, these are mine, but he stole them. Like I was saying, this rudely interrupted me and cut me off. Don't do that again, boo. I own you, you don't own me, okay? Yo, your girl is hungry. I'm feeling for my Jamaican food. If you didn't know, I'm half Jamaican. My mom and dad is from Jamaica, so yeah, I got a little island in me. Anyways, so I want to do some festivals. If you guys don't know what festivals are, they're like fried dumpling. I don't know how to do it, so I just googled the ingredients and I'm just gonna wing it. So I have my salt, I have my, what is this called? Baking powder, I have flour, and I have cornmeal. So y'all, I'm gonna just whip this all together. They don't give me the correct, exact measurements, so we're just gonna wing it and hopefully it works, because your girl is feeling for some festivals today, okay? I wish I had some saltfish, but I don't. So, yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, put on my likes on our comments. I already know what this is. Your girl's getting into this motherfucking video because your girl's hungry. Okay. Alright. So, I just washed my bowl. I washed my hands. Gotta stay clean, okay? This COVID ain't playing with nobody, okay? Alright, so I'm going to start by adding my flour. Again, I don't have any specific measurements, so we're just going to wing it, okay? Y'all, I'm just going to do enough for my husband and I, because we're the one that's going to be eating it. So, yeah. This is so ghetto. Alright, y'all, I don't want to waste so much flour because my mother-in-law is very stingy with the shits. So I put some back. Okay, that looks to be a good amount. So y'all, this is the amount that I have. Pretty good amount, right? Yeah, I'm just throwing everything away. Okay. Good. Alright, time to add some cornmeal. Again, y'all, I don't know how much I'm supposed to put, so yeah. I have a fair amount, okay? Some liquid river salt. Okay, no one's a liquid river. Some salt, baby. Let me do it for y'all. This is for y'all. Wait, how does he do it? Whatever. A little bit of salt. Okay, salt up your life. Spice up your life. Every boy and girl. Y'all know what I'm saying. And some baking soda. I don't know how much I'm supposed to put. I'm gonna mix it all up. Mix it all up. You know, mix it all up or whatever. Yeah, I don't like the smell of powder. I mean, powder? Flour. It smells weird. Okay, so, y'all, I gotta feed myself and my husband. And y'all know skinny bitches love to eat, okay? Especially my husband. Again, I don't want to add too much because even though we live with her, you know, you gotta hear how much shit you use. Blah, blah, blah. I ain't working right now, y'all, so I can't contribute. COVID in this bitch. There's some COVID in this house. Alright, I'm gonna start this up and get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, let's change up the view. Alright, I have to add water. I already said that, right? Okay, BRB. Alright, I added a little bit of water. Gradually. You know, I hate mixing flour with what is so gross. too much, baby girl. Y'all can see. I don't know. Can y'all see a bit better now? Oh, I think that's too much water. Too much sauce. Y'all comment down below your favorite thing to make from your culture or wherever you come from. My favorite thing from Canada is obviously the poutine. My favorite thing from Jamaica, yo, you know I love my oxtail. I've been talking about oxtail for the longest. Okay, I think this is like coming along well, y'all. Look at this. On the counter. My counter is clean. I should have done it on the counter rather than, you know, just done it on the counter rather than wasting all that time. All right, I'm gonna get this situated and get back to y'all in a few. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I got this to a good texture or whatever you want to call it. Not too hard, not too soft. So what I'm gonna do is roll it. And by the way, yes, I have the fryer on right now. So when I'm ready, I can just drop them in. Show y'all the first one. And then, yeah. So you want to roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. I also have two rolled. And I'm not sure how exactly they connected, but it's something like that. Like I said, y'all, this is my first time doing it. So I'm kind of curious how it's going to end up too. I know y'all looking at me like, girl, what are you doing? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Daniel. Oh! Somebody! Oh! Only time to drop. As you'll see. Yeah, yeah. Fire. See that? Good friend. Hopefully this is a success or I'm gonna be so pissed.
Oh, freaking pissed!
Y'all can see I have on my towel. I already ate, so I'm getting ready to take a shower. They tasted so good, y'all. I think I just needed a little bit more salt. Also, I left them in a little bit too long. They were a little bit hard, but still soft on the inside. It's just that I like my dumplings. It's kind of like a goldish brown, but this one it was like a tan brown, so I left them in just a tad too long. But nonetheless, I did a good job being that it was my first time. And so my husband ate them without any complaints. And trust me, he's blunt as, and he would have told me if they were bad, and he told me that they were good. Therefore, let me give myself a pat on the back. Yes, girl, yes. Ow. Don't be killing me now. Oh, you? Yeah. Go. All right, let's go. I ain't got time for this. Anyways, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this little cooking thing, experimental. Right now my stomach is hurting. I think I ate way too much. I had like 4. But yeah, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, write my likes, write my comments. Make sure you write my views, write my likes, write my comments. Run it up, run it up. Watch it all pour out. Throw it up, throw it up. That's how we ball out. Share clubs and dollar bills. Still got my money. Okay, anyways. Yeah, I need to go bathe because I'm hot and a bit funky. Yeah, I actually am. Ew. I'm going to take a shower, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Peace out, all the above. Bye, guys. Shiba bye, cupcake.
You don't know me. You don't know. Baby, you don't know.